Time to launch Power BI and have a first look around. We will then proceed to load our first set of data. So let's go.
When you first fire up Power BI Desktop, you'll be greeted by the home screen. From here, you can either dive right into getting data, revisit recent reports, or explore other options. For now, let's keep it simple and go with the blank report option. It will open up the main interface. You'll see the ribbon at the top, and it's split into different tabs, each of which gives you access to specific tools. Let's start with the Home tab. This is your starting point, and it holds the most frequently used tools like importing data, creating visuals, doing calculations, refreshing, and even publishing your reports once they are ready. So let's get some data loaded. Click on the Get Data option from the Home tab. This is your gateway to bring in data from various sources. Let's click More to see more options. You can basically pull data from any source: Excel, CSV, databases, or even live cloud platforms. But for now, let's keep it simple and work with an Excel file. We'll be using Benji's sales data file. Once we have clicked Excel, we'll go down and hit Connect. We'll then navigate to the folder where our file is stored. Before we load it, let me show you how the Excel looks. The Excel file has two sheets. First up, Order sheet. This sheet has 5 columns. The other sheet is Order Details sheet with 7 columns. Okay, now let's head back to our file selection window. Let's select the file and hit Open. Once the connection is established with the file, a Navigator window will pop up on your screen. It will show you the file that you had selected and the sheets that exist in that file. Select the ones you want to bring into Power BI, in this case both of them. And if everything looks good, click Load and Power BI will bring it into your workspace.
And with that, Power BI has set up a connection to the file source and loaded the data in. Let's continue exploring our interface.